Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So we have a hop today, very exciting for the new Kat Scrappiness release, and I'm going to be using the Kat's Essential Card Builder dies number 1. I was going to use those word bubbles dies, but I couldn't fit them in this card today. So I am bringing in some fall with Fall is in the Air stamp set and coordinating dies. I'm also using the Autumn Lantern add-on stamp and dies, coordinating dies, and I will have everything listed down below. I am going to stamp on some hammer mill paper with some black ink, and I am thinking I can put some of these pumpkins and squash and some fall flowers and a fun fall sentiment in all these pieces. Isn't this die set great? All the Kat Essential builder dies are just fabulous, and I love that you get all these shapes. And you know what I like about this die set the most? You get triangles. And I was noticing I don't have any triangles in my stash. So I think that's fabulous just for, I don't know, maybe you need a sentiment on there. I don't know. I love geometric shapes and I think that's just fun. So I'm just going to do a little bit of coloring here. I will list, let me see. I will list what colors I have in the description in case you are wondering what I used. I have been using my color chart a lot lately from Sandy Allnock, and I have just been trying to use some different colors that I don't usually use. Plus, some of my Copic markers have dried out, so that is a pain, and it seems like when I put a new tip, they don't work as well, so I don't know what's going on there, but so I'm not happy about that. But anyways, I'm just coloring in some acorns here, and so fun, and I have an apple and the pie, and so that's why I loved these two stamp sets together for a lot of fall fall foods, actually, most of them. So, and then I'm just coloring in really simply with the sunflower. I do use, I think, some OLO markers. I might have used one OLO marker, so I will put that in my description as well. And because today is part of a hop, you can win a gift card. So if you visit all of our channels, leave comments, that's a great way. It's a good way to win. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the KS newsletter. I will have the raffle copter link down below, and when to enter by. And here are the coordinating dies. So I'm just going to cut everything out. I haven't used these dies too much, so I'm just going to grab them, cut everything out. I wasn't happy with how I placed my dies because it cut off a couple of my images, I believe, but that's okay. I'm going to cover them up and still use them for my card today. I'm mostly wanting to share how to use this die, so I think it's a really fun, and these dies are going to be very useful for all the projects I have coming up. So that is what I'm excited about. I always reach for A2 dies, and I love all the stitching and shapes of these new dies. So perfect, and I always love when we have new dies. So I thought I would bring in some Autumn Elegance faux glitter paper. This is a 6x6 pack, and I wanted to reach for some green and gold for this card, and I'm also bringing in some brown. So I'm going to use my die cutting machine, and it's going to punch out all those shapes. And I love all those dies, and I'm just going to save all those shapes to the side there. I'm putting them in my new scrubby. I'll have to put the description of that scrub. It's supposed to clean your blending brushes, but I haven't used it yet to clean my blending brushes. I just like it on my desk as a bowl, a really cute purple bowl. It's my favorite color, so it's just fun. And so I have all my pieces here, and this is where the fun begins, putting this card together. So I love that you can use so many patterns and colors, and I thought I would put a different color underneath as well. And I'm gonna go with my white card base, my A2 white card base, which is 4¼ by 5½. And we also have an Instagram hop, so make sure and hop over there as well. So you don't want to miss any projects from the KS Creative crew. All our design team have been working really hard these past 2 weeks, getting you lots of inspiration. So the sequins I'm going to use a Halloween sequins as well as this green glitter sequins, and they're called Halloween Solid Round Confetti, and also the Olive Grove glitter sequin mix. So I am just putting all my pieces. I did stamp a sentiment on green cardstock because I was going to add that green to the bottom layer of this card, but it was just too much. I think I liked the white, and I think I had something on my card, so I am just gluing, and I'm just using some liquid glue. I didn't pop anything up because I just liked it as is. It's nice and easy to mail. Our postage has gone up, so I'm not really sure, and it's just easier to mail flat cards right now. So I'm just adding my elements, and I think these dies are so much fun. So I'd like to know which essential builder die is your favorite. We have 1, 2, and 3, and this is number 1. I did do a intro video for number 2, so you can visit the Kat Scrappiness channel and see that, and see what project I made with that die. I like that they can be horizontal or not, so you can do it. So either way you can do this card. I can't tell you how much I love these dies. So I'm just adding in all my pumpkin, my flowers, and I'm going to add my sequins, and that is it. So I love how this card turned out. So make sure and enter the giveaway. The winner will be announced on the socials. So make sure to be subscribed to the newsletter, and share your projects in our Facebook group. We love to see what you create using the Kat Scrappiness products. And yeah, so thank you for joining me today. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel so we can show you more content. And just adding my last sequence, and I'll share a close-up and in just a second. And using my tool here, I wanted to get a lot of orange and green in here. And here is a close-up. So thank you.